What do you think so far about the Mahama government?
Compared to the other governments, they promise something and then they come in and they tell you, we just came relaxed. But these people just came in and we are seeing the action. The nurses are getting their money. The e-levy crack, the betting tax and all of that. He just wants to release our stress.
So then that brings me back to why it was actually implemented. We had development even before these taxes were brought. So what did it really change? Me, I'm not really into politics then again. All I know is that my e-levy is out. I can send my momo in peace.
Do you guys know he's bringing back road tolls? What do you think about that?
What was the reason why it was taken away?
Apparently the money was being squandered. That was why it was taken away. But if he's bringing it back and it's for a good reason, like why not?
Oh, then let's wait and see, because if they do that, it actually brings a lot of traffics and all that.
I think he's going to be digital, like how they do outside the country. I don't think we have to pay at the point. But some people still think the road tolls shouldn't come back.
So how do they maintain the road? I feel like if they take something away, they bring something back. Something needs to replace it.
Because every country has to pay tax.
We're already paying taxes on everything. Whatever we buy, we pay tax on it because it's already being taxed. Your food has been taxed. That, COVID, all these things. Is the COVID tax gone? Because that thing should go.
Do you know the Chinese actually charged us for this road? We have to pay them back. That's why the road toll has to come back.
So about the finance minister, I learned, he was wanted, he was declared wanted, and then he was out, and then what happened to that?
They have the evidence and everything. He got to Ghana and we are not really hearing anything again. If he's been found guilty, they should trial him. It shouldn't be done back doors. If it's publicly put out there that this is what he did, he should pay for it. It's our money he was managing. So if he spent it, he should come and make accounts or whatever needs to be done to him. He should be dealt with. Simple.
Are you feeling the impact of the female vice president?
If I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I feel anything.
You said yes. What's the reason?
She being a woman, this is our first time experiencing something like that. And then you don't expect a woman to do what a man is doing.
No, that won't be.
No.
You're so loud.